Hi, Richard here from MK46 Airsoft. We are going to be fixing this Marui MK46 box mag. So the problem presents as this. Little whizzy noise because the little cogs come off the motor. You know, not quite sure why. Fundamentally, just bad product from TM, or not compatible with heavy ammo, and therefore it puts too much back pressure on it, and therefore it comes off. I don't know. So the exact cause of this, but suffice to say, the problem presents as this. You know, not feeding anymore. So uncover this side here for this shape, and obviously the motor is under here. So we're just going to undo these screws. So they're all the same length, self-tapping one screws. So no need to pay attention to which one is going to go back into the correct hole. You want to take off the side of it. Please make sure not to tip or move any of these. You can just remove the original TM one that's come off, unglued, whatever. Could try re-gluing it if you really want to, but we've got these tighter pressure ones. It's basically a smaller shaft. See the difference in shaft size? Basically go over to the shaft, just press this new, these are Eagle 6 ones by the way, so just order it from the website. So you want to make sure you get in between the cogs. So it's on like this. Press it fit, so press it all the way down, and then see there it fits on there, and that's now press fit and on there. So take the cover, place it back on. There's no shibs or anything like that, but obviously if you tip this all up, you risk obviously all of this coming out. So keep it just in that position there. Get everything back in. Screws. Yeah, we get asked about this a lot, so I'm just doing this really quick video. No high presentation, no nothing, just really quick. Well, we're just in the workshop, try and get as much of this. We never really have time for tutorial videos anymore, but I thought I'd just do this while I was doing it. Self-tapping, so you know you always want to avoid left before right. Yeah, I mean, I ain't got a clue what they're thinking with that. They just forgot the clue, I don't know, but it's absolutely nuts. That hole is huge compared to the one I just press fit. What they're doing, but that comes off after, I mean, it's about 30 seconds and that come off, and that was a brand new mag. So here we are, fixed it on this one, so someone gets a freebie, free fix. Yeah, so like I said, that's on there now. Dipping back up. That's 3 2s in there, so but yeah, all fixed. Hope that helps. Enjoy. Thank you.